Attention please.
It's impressive the way they've designed the city. Even before they build things, it's already on the plan. This place is very impressive, and I've seen a lot of stuff that open up my mind. I think two main things should be taken back home. First of all, the power of envisioning. This place has not been like this. Less than 60 years back, it used to be a fishing village, but you can't believe it now. They have gone through enormous development, and now they are one of the greatest cities in the world because they envision what the city should be. Second of all, I think it's really important that we embrace transformation, especially technological transformation. By digitizing most of their activities, they've been able to make their businesses more productive, and life of the citizens has been much easier. And the last final thing is to stick to plans. If they didn't stick to what they planned this city to be, it wouldn't have been like this. So we have to envision and stick to the vision, because it gives people a good sense of direction, and it keeps them motivated as they move to that direction where they need to be, basically.